In this guide, you will learn how to publish video on Rumble in easy steps. Before going into it, Rumble is a YouTube alternative that allows you to have only 100 followers for you to be eligible for their partnership program. The first step is to launch a web browser, and in this case, I'll be using Google Chrome for this. As your browser opens, visit rumble.com. You can see the web link here, rumble.com. Alright, here I'm signing automatically because I set my login details on this browser. But if you are using it for the first time, it will tell you to sign in or to create an account, which you will do, and after that, you follow the rest of the steps here. So to upload a video, click on this plus sign at the top right. Then select upload video. You will be taken to this interface. Click on this. Then navigate to your PC to pick the video you want to publish, okay? Here, I want to publish this video, alright? I'll click on it and click on open. Wait for it to upload, but as it is uploading, you can start filling your title, your description, and primary category and the rest. So let's do that even as this is uploading. Okay, I have this video I published on YouTube and I want to upload it there. So I'll copy this data and be placing them on Rumble. So here I'll paste the title, get back here, copy part of the description. Okay, Control C to copy, get back there to paste the description, get back again. So I will copy this detail and paste here. In the category section, click here and select your category. So my own is under technology, so I'll type the word and it's it shows up. I'll click here. Then the secondary category is software. So once you're typing that, the best match will be shown. Okay, so I'll select this. Then in the thumbnail section, click here and pick a thumbnail. But if you don't have, wait until you finish uploading the video. It will suggest thumbnails to you based on what happens in the video. You can click on any of them, but here I like using custom thumbnail to make it look professional, which is this. You may see how it looks like now that it may not be looking clear, but when the video is published, you will see it will look clearer than this. Okay, so let me now add some tags. So I talk about Jupiter. Okay, just type in some tags that align with the video and use comma to separate everything. Okay, then I will talk about, may have notebook again, programming. So I'm okay with this key tags for now, the keywords. Maybe in time to come I may edit it further. Then this related video is for videos that are considered as shorts, less than 3 minutes, that are shot vertically, so that are considered as short. So you can add any longer video that you have previously uploaded on the platform. All right, when you click here, you can select it. Okay, it will give you some suggestions. You select any of them that aligns, all right, with what this video is all about. But this is not short, this is a long form video. Okay, so here visibility is public, all right, which is what I want to be published immediately. If you want to schedule it, go with this one. I have other options. Then feature video on top of your profile. If you want me, when somebody visits your profile for this video to be shown first, please check this box, but I have already selected one video for that. All right, so we'll just be touching the basic stuff. So after that, click on upload. Okay, you'll be taken to this new page, and on this new page you are expected to pick how you want it to publish the video, which they call licensing option. All right, here when you select this video management, what it means is that it's exclusive permission you are giving to the platform. When you take your cursor here, you see it, meaning that you want Rumble to take care of this video and also distribute it to any network of their choice, meaning that you can't publish this your video anywhere again. All right, they are giving them the right to do that alone. All right, even if they want to push it to YouTube, let them do it by themselves. And when the video ends, you share revenue. Then video management, you're still giving them the right to distribute the video and manage it, but they should not upload it on YouTube. All right, then Rumble only is you want it to publish the video only on Rumble, which is what I'm going for because this video is available on YouTube already as well as Facebook. Then this is personal use, but you don't want it to be monetized. You can see that personal use, not monetized, not searchable, available to all your subscribers. Okay, it can only be available to our subscribers, which I don't want. Okay, so I'm going with this best option for me, which I know many people would like to subscribe to as well. Then here, terms and conditions, check this box, which means you have not signed an exclusive agreement with any parties, all right, any other parties. Then this one, check this if you agree with our terms and condition, all right, terms of service, which is okay. I'll click on this. So after checking this, the next step is to click on submit. So this video will be submitted and published. You can see it has been published immediately. So look at what it says. Direct link. Maybe you want to send the video link to somebody. All you need to do is to click on this for it to be highlighted. Control C to copy it and send the link. If you want to embed this in a particular website, maybe a website blog, you go with this. Monetize embedded code. Maybe you want to place it somewhere else. Look at it, copy and paste. But this is just for people that are advanced in tech, so you don't need this. All right, so once a video is published, it's made live on the platform. So for you to see a video, just click on your profile icon, click my content. All right, this shows you your videos that are available. You can see the one I just published. Okay, then this was the first, which I published yesterday, and followed by this and followed by this. You can see the thumbnail is looking more professional here. If this helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.